Hey there guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Golden Grade Plate gloves in Crimson Desert. Now first things first, I'm going to show you the location of where this is, which is just around east of Dry Wind Valley as you can see right here. And if I zoom out, I'm pretty much all the way south from the Crimson Desert and a little bit over to the southeast of Tashkalp as you can see right here. Now thankfully there are roads that you can follow along the map right here to reach this point, and I am a little bit over on a mountain as you can see, and you should be able to see this railroad right in front of you. Now the waterfall that we are going to enter is this one right here, but we don't need to go all the way down, just right over there on that ledge. Now I'm at the location. Just make sure that this little cairn here is pretty much present. This pretty much signifies that you can enter the waterfall from this location right here. I'm going to stab my way into there. Pretty much just like every other waterfall, you just go inside and find the treasure chest in front of you. And there we go, we should get the Golden Greed Plate gloves and another Palomar pill along with it. Now the stats for the Golden Greed Plate gloves is pretty much 20 attack and 11 defense, a critical rate of 0 unfortunately, but a refinement of level 4. However, the best thing about this is that it is embedded with 2 Abyss Gears of defense level 3. So it's going to amp up your armor a lot when you use this. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Golden Greed Plate gloves in Crimson Desert.